got us a snowstorm.
Yeah, do you think my car's gonna get through this?
I was talking to the camera. There's Kira.
Hi, do you think my car's
Yes,
gonna get through with
yes.
how deep it is?
I do, and I'm going to hook up the snowplow right now.
Okay, I leave in like 15.
All right, I'll see if I can't get it fired up and on the road here.
I think the highway's already plowed.
Yeah, it's probably just county roads.
Yeah, that's why I'm like, if I can just make it past our road to the highway, I'll be fine.
Yeah, either way, even if you got stuck, I'll have the Bronco out in a minute and tow you. Sorry, I'm kind of in a hurry, so I'm just throwing the camera on. Kira has to go to work soon, and we are thrust into the opportunity of being able to use the snowplow. So that's what we're doing. The plan is for me to use this, move this over to here. So kind of my quick attachment, detachment situation. This little guy. Get this up a little closer. And I don't even know if you can see that in the camera, but what we're trying to do is get these guys just like that. And there we go. All right, I didn't expect that to work that well. There she is, that's pretty schmick. Retaining pins in here. These guys right here. Come on now. Nothing can ever be too easy here. There we go. Got the pins in there. Well, a pin. As you can see, my little hand truck idea from a couple months ago paid off swimmingly. Oops, sorry. Gosh dang it. The only other thing we need to do is hook this guy up. And that's definitely not maybe a one-handed job. So this has been shot kind of in real time. I didn't expect this to go this quickly. Yeah, these old bumpers like that, they do kind of wiggle jiggle. I know it's a technical term. There we go. And so we have that plugged in there. And we've got us a remote. So we got in. Oh, good, she still works. Perfect. All right, so I wasn't looking where the camera was pointed. So we'll move our little stand out of the way. In fact, we'll put that right here because when parking a snowplow, it's a pain. Holy smokes, that's a good looking unit right there. Sorry, I've never actually done that part. I built the thing and I never got it going. So now we're going to be doing a little plowing down the hill. Is further kind of expand that. And then we'll get over here on the shoulder a little bit just to get her knocked out. a little wider so 2 cars can pass. Because again, this is a big hill. You need to, if you're in a regular car, you need to get a kind of a run at it in the snow. A run at it in the snow. Again, this language thing. This is kind of what we're working with. So, got about a foot of fresh snow. It's 30 something degrees out, so it ain't gonna stick around. It's gonna get really bad. So what I do is this plow is just floating, right? I don't have the feet on it, but what I do is I just winch it up enough that it's kind of compressing the front suspension. It's because, well, let me start again. We're not plowing down the pavement. As you can see, I've got some wonderful vehicles here, and you and I, viewer, are simply plowing down to, not pavement, but an inch or two of snow. Silly hat off. I'll put on my professional hat. And let's go plowing. Ah, we're stuck. Maybe not. Maybe not. Plowing uphill has its challenges. Whoa, we're kind of riding out on that a little bit. I'm trying to remember where the road is, sorry. My plow's not the greatest. It's, well, the owner's not the greatest, meaning me. It needs a lot of maintenance. This is a real big hairpin here. Kind of took that one a little wide. There we go. There we go. We're getting after it now. Okay. So, we will attempt to turn around, and again, this is an off-camber weirdo hill. In fact, we're probably gonna do that. Huh. I guess we're raising that bad boy up because we can't get any traction. There we go. Alright guys, time to bring the blade up because it was working again. Oh, come on, reverse. There we go. And we have not aired down the tires, which is probably a mistake on my part. Yeah. Sorry guys. This is it. We are going to be kind of stuck here until I can get us unstuck, that is. Hopefully you guys can see that. That being my tire. So this is a real world application of airing down in real time. This is what I use in the real world. Put my valve stem here. And we're going to do this 4 more times or 3 more times. So alright, so yeah, we're a little over 15 pounds there, which is probably good for this application.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up, so looking back. Fewer breaks after math. When I hate, I attack.
Well, let's survey the damage. It's actually, let's do this. So, as you can see, things have changed. So, this is what we're dealing with. Well, I appreciate you watching my winter storm, whatever this has been. A little blurb of snow in February. Finally got to bust out the snow plow. I know, it's not for any professional plow people. It ain't perfect, but it's what I got. And you have to consider the lack of skill and the jinky equipment. Mostly the lack of skill. So, I have it. If it should it snow some more, but again, if you could see this, whoops, it's slush underneath, so I think we got a blurb of snow. We might get a little bit more snow in the next 24 hours, but after that, it's going to melt off. It's late. It's the third week of February, so we shouldn't have snow too much longer. We'll get off to other adventures. So, once again, I appreciate you watching my marginal content, and stay tuned. There could be some more harebrained schemes. Looks like I got a little work to do on that guy. Yep. Got a little... Unfortunately, the Bronco's always, or fortunately, the Bronco's always dry and warm and everything in the shop, but my daily driver here looks like she needs a little bit of work. So, on to the edit. Again, I appreciate you watching. Have a good day. Hope everything's going great. All right, let's see what we got going on here. I put the blade down, and we're on the flat now with their down tires. It is amazing. And believe it or not, I four-wheeled most of my life, and it wasn't until about 5 years ago that I learned about airing down tires, really. And I think that's kind of funny. And obviously snow plowing downhill is less of a challenge because we've got gravity in a 5,000 pound vehicle, or not in and out, from the center out. I'll master this English language someday. We're in a regular car, we need to get a kind of a run at it in the snow, and this language thing.